Hello and welcome back. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney of Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And the topic that I want to discuss is what we call Rodriguez bonds, or what we used to call Rodriguez bonds. And the question is, do they still exist or don't they? And it's a good question, you know. Last year, the United States Supreme Court decided Rodriguez versus Jennings. And they said that the Ninth Circuit actually got it wrong in the Rodriguez case, and said that, you know, when somebody is detained for 6 months, it does not automatically mean that they have the right to a bond hearing, all right, with the burden of proof on the government. And so when that happened, yes, the Rodriguez bond, quote unquote, was no more, all right? And so really, the Rodriguez bond is no more. And yet, there are some other cases, all right? There are some other cases that are still alive. There's some interesting precedent here in the Ninth Circuit, all right? We are in the Ninth Circuit. Let me explain what that is. There's several different circuits in the United States, 13, I believe. And the Ninth Circuit is by far the largest. California, Oregon, Washington, Hawaii, Montana, Idaho, Nevada, Arizona. Did I miss one? Guam. I think that's all of them. I think I got them all. Within the Ninth Circuit, it's a huge, huge circuit. Here in the Ninth Circuit, there are several cases that give us good arguments to demand and to request a bond hearing for an immigrant who's been detained by immigration for more than 6 months, all right? We've got to look at the details of your case, and we've got to see if you fit into one of the other cases, not the Rodriguez versus Jennings scenario, but there are several other scenarios, right, that could make you eligible to request a bond and to request release from detention, all right? So if you or a loved one has been detained by immigration for more than 6 months, or if you're coming up on that 6-month mark, talk to a lawyer. And if you don't have one, you probably have one, I hope you do, if you've been detained for that long. But if you don't, please feel free to contact my office. I'd love to look into your situation in a lot of depth and see what arguments you have to get you released. So that's it. Yes, Rodriguez bonds aren't per se exactly still in effect, but there are still arguments. And so if you've been subject to prolonged detention, don't give up, and let's look for an option to get you out of there. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Please subscribe to our channel. Hope you found this helpful, and hope to see you again.